Hello guys, this is DocX. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make a Excel salary sheet. So to start up, we're gonna press Start plus R, then type Excel, or you can just open up from this Start button, or just by searching Excel. Then press on Open, or just press Enter. After pressing enter, we're gonna select a blank workbook. Then we're gonna skip the first column and the first row, just in case that those might be needed for some time later. It's just for caution. So in a salary sheet, you would require serial number for others' salary, and you'd need a name and other stuff like that. I'm just gonna write it down. So serial number, then we press tab to move into another cell, then we type name, then we press tab to move another cell. It will be their basic salary. Then along with basic salary, a company gives a man many opportunities, like giving him house rent and other things like that. So all of these will be a percentage of the basis of basic salary. So we're just gonna write it down. Hospital bill. So at last we have gross salary. After giving and taking out, the man should have the profit of what he earned in the end of the day. It could be monthly, weekly, or daily. A sum of salary would be there in interest. Serial number, then press 1. We could just double click on this, but we need a required number which till the serial number gonna be. For me, I want it till the 13 column. So we release it until there and press on right autofill option, fill series. It will automatically fill the series. For name, I'm gonna pick some random alphabet. I use this one because it is very helpful, but you can use yours as well. I use this one because it will give you a serial number of A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Then basic salary, I'm gonna also pick some rand between numbers just to show you some example. The bottom is the number you want the least, and the top is the number you want the most or the highest. For me, a man's at least salary would be $200, so I'm gonna type 200, and the at most can be $10,000. It's just an example, just to show you guys. It can be higher or lower. Then we click on enter, double click on this icon. When it shows up, it will show up only when you take it to the near of the edge of this table. After double clicking it, it will pick a random number between 200 to 10,000. The hospital cost would be, oh, another thing, this row looks messed up, so we need to fix it. In order to fix it, we're just gonna select it, then press Alt HOI. Look, it looks way better than before. We click on hospital cost, we click on sum, then press on tab, then click on basic salary. Then it should be a percentage of basic salary, so we're gonna pick 15%. In order to multiply, we're gonna press shift plus star, shift and 8 in your keyboard, the numeric 8. Then we're gonna type 15%, close bracket. Another thing, you can just easily copy this. You can just copy this from this, and you can use them for other table as well. We're gonna change the number. The house rent should be 12%. To type 12. Travel cost, we're gonna just edit it here. This is the function bar. This bar is the function bar. This is the name bar. This is the title bar. This is the menu bar. These are the tools. This is the status bar. And if you click on plus, you can always take new more sheet. The travel cost should be 10%. Press OK after that. Lunch should be 5%. Okay, by the way, guys, I'm just pasting what I copied and editing in the function bar. That's all I'm doing. Phone bills should be, so 3% it is. Control plus C. Sorry, my bad. Control plus V. Control plus V is 5%. Phone bills are 2 point. Sorry, phone bills are 3%. Tax is 2.5%. We're just gonna type it down. It saves a lot of time. Provident fund is 12%. After that, we click enter. We're gonna click on single one of them just to make sure they are in the perfect function we put on. It seems they're okay. Then we're gonna double click on this. Then we double click on this. Then we double click on this. It will change number, but since we picked random numbers, so it won't matter if you had typed it on your own. Just because we used random numbers, that's why it's gonna show randomly changing numbers. It doesn't really matter, to be honest. Okay, the gross salary would be basic salary, hospital cost, house rent, travel cost, lunch, phone bills, all of them in a plus tax and provident fund, because basic salary, hospital cost, house rent, travel cost, lunch, phone bills are given by companies, and tax and provident fund are given to the company. So you have to give tax and provident fund to the company, so these two has to be minus. The gross per salary is the salary you get as profit. So now we need the gross salary. So we're gonna plus this basic salary till phone bills and minus tax plus provident fund. So we're gonna type equal, then sum, then tab, and click on basic salary. Holding shift, we're gonna click on phone bills, bracket close, then press on minus, then type sum again. Press tab, then click on tab, holding shift, we click on provident fund and bracket close. Then we press on enter. It will show the gross salary that came out of here. Now if we double click on it, it will automatically calculate the rest of the things. Salary sheet. Oh, there is another thing. If you want to make it prettier, select it all, then go to the Arial font. After going to the Arial font, then we click on borders. Then after clicking on borders, we click on all border. It will show a border on text. Look, it shows a hashtag because it couldn't fit in this space. So we all select it again. Press Alt HOI. Now it shows everything. Control A, Alt HOI. There we go. We got our Excel sheet. Now if you don't, another thing, I'm not really finishing. If you wanna keep these showing, popping, you can just freeze panes. It will just show your lanes. Thank you for watching. That's all for today. Bye.